Hello and welcome everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show here how to start to go to use object on this game, which is going to be really called Valorant. Let's go and find out here how this is going to be really done over the place where we are really looking for, because it's going to be really everything about to be really needed on the stuff where it should be about to be everything. It should be really done. Start uh, to use object on Valorant. That's really not bad, but it's really going on with the stuff where we have to start to be really using it. As you can think that it's possible through doing that in Valorant game. And what you're gonna do is about start to go uh, for going through controls. Just click on equipment. Then you're gonna start scroll all the way down until you're gonna find this use object vault. So if you press on F, it's gonna give you here like an object. If you press on F, it's gonna tell you to use an object, but absolutely in the practice mode you cannot find any object here. Maybe I really start to see like this one. So this is really kindly an object. I press on F. Stop playback is absolutely an object also. So that's all about here to help you on this video. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.